Hello and welcome to the first video in the Instant Traffic Generator course, and in this video we're going to be going over the basics of what you'll be learning throughout the course. I made this course to help people who are just starting out in business and online marketing grasp a hold of the hardest, or in my opinion, the hardest thing to learn, which is traffic. Traffic is people going to your site. Now, it's so hard to get people's attention and grab their not only get them to the site, but hold their attention for more than a couple of seconds. And with these methods that I'll teach you, you'll learn how to get not only people to your site, but since it's targeted, they'll want to stay longer than if they weren't targeted. So I thank you for buying the course. You'll be learning things from Yahoo Answers, a trick with that, Wikipedia, all that stuff you wouldn't think that you can get traffic from. You'll be learning how to get traffic from. So I thank you for purchasing the course again, and just get ready because you're gonna learn some awesome stuff. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope everyone has a great day. So thanks, and I'll see you then.